Y'all, we made it here. Look at the view. It's not really a view here, but everything is over there. And then we're on stream. So I'm gonna be vlogging on my phone, and then tomorrow we leave, so I'm gonna pick up my camera and actually get the camera footage. So I can roll, bro. You put the names right now.
I can just roll right now, though. Like what happened? The inside Coco. What? J. Reed.
We're at the gas station. What time is it? 2:11 in the morning. Y'all look tired. We're about to go home now. And I'm about to go to sleep. Damn.
And if you fuck for me, my fuck out with it and send it come here.
I've been all over the world, you know, and it's the finest wine, and I've seen the finest times. But all the pretty girls come from VA, and it's New York and MIA, then it's PG around my way, so I'm never had to stay away. Hold on, say you gon' wait, ain't nobody gonna free, gon' be there. Keep on young, cause she gon' wanna stay. All the pretty girls wanna be gay. Fuck her and find out. She like one of mine and she mine now. You just turn around and she gone now. Shit never stayed away. For long, for long. Best time she's ever had. Best time she's ever had. Best time she's ever had. Your best time all the time. Best time she's ever had. Best time she's ever had. Best time she's ever had. All the time.
Amsterdam, in Birmingham.
The aquarium was nice, as y'all can see. We're about to go eat.
What got this?
And
They funded this, yeah.
yeah.
I've been all over the world, you know, and it's the finest wine, and I've seen the finest times. But all the pretty girls come from VA, and it's New York and MIA, then it's PG around my way, so I'm never had to stay away. Hold on, say you gon' wait, ain't nobody gonna free, gon' be there.
We are at Slutty Vegan, and I'm excited to try it. I'm actually excited. So we'll see how it tastes. It's definitely pricey, so get ready to spin a bag when you come to Slutty.
Right in your mind, where you did the shit that you done did, you really slime. I can't even think of you the same, mess on my mind, yeah. Yeah. Can't think of you the same, but I'm not me the way I can.